What's Fuente Forte? What you can learn from this content. One, the target customers. The target customers of Fuente Forte are women who feel a need for total scalp care. However, these customers can be divided into two types depending on the degree of concern. 1. Those who constantly have scalp concerns. And 2. Those who occasionally feel scalp disorders. Those who constantly have scalp concerns are people who are always experiencing specific concerns, such as the scalp tends to become rough due to dryness, the scalp tends to become oily and odor becomes a concern, and the scalp tends to become itchy and flaky. From shampoos to leave-in treatments, a full-fledged scalp care, which addresses specific scalp concerns, is recommended. Those who occasionally feel scalp disorders are aware that their scalp condition is unstable, but they don't know how to address it. Their scalp condition becomes unstable due to stress or lack of sleep, change in temperature or humidity, and chemical treatment such as hair color. For such people, occasional care that can be added into their usual hair care routine is recommended. 2. Product features and usage. Scalp care line Fuente Forte was developed with a focus on the scalp of modern-day women, which is unstable due to dryness, UV radiation, air pollution, and stress. Using skincare technology from advanced beauty science, it prevents scalp problems and focuses on the scalp's barrier function. With a lineup of products which addresses various concerns, it promotes a healthy scalp environment for nurturing beautiful hair. For those who constantly have specific scalp concerns, Fuente Forte offers moisturizing care, which can be selected based on scalp condition. For those who occasionally feel scalp disorders, Fuente Forte offers barrier care, which addresses internal and external stressors. The Fuente Forte portfolio offers products for moisturizing care which address specific scalp concerns, and products for barrier care which address occasional scalp disorders. Moisturizing care consists of treatment and shampoos which address 3 types of scalp concerns: dry scalp, oily scalp, and dandruff scalp. Using these products every day will create a richly hydrated, healthy scalp environment. Fuente Forte shampoo for dry scalp. Cleanses gently without stripping away the moisture from the scalp, which tends to get dry. Fuente Forte shampoo for oily scalp. Removes excess sebum from the scalp, which has concerns of stickiness and odor, leaving a fresh and airy feel. Fuente Forte shampoo for dandruff scalp. Gets rid of dandruff and itchiness to create a healthy and refreshed scalp environment. These shampoos cleanse the hair and scalp gently while enwrapping you with a green floral scent. Tips on how to use the product. First, remove impurities thoroughly from the scalp and hair surface with lukewarm water. Then spread the shampoo through the entire hair and wash in a circular motion using the pads of the fingers, starting from the hairline and moving toward the back of the head. After washing, rinse thoroughly so that there is no shampoo remaining. Fuente Forte treatment for all scalp types. Fuente Forte treatment for all scalp types is formulated with skincare ingredients to create a healthy scalp environment, leaving hair light and airy. Tips on how to use the product. After shampooing and towel drying well, hold the nozzle of the tube close to the scalp and apply the treatment as if drawing lines. Massage the entire scalp using the pads of the fingers as you work the treatment into the hair as well. Rinse thoroughly, focusing on the scalp. When towel drying, remove water from the hair by pressing with a towel. Avoid rubbing and creating friction. Barrier Care has 6 products which you can use by adding to your usual hair care routine. You can select which product to use by its function, as well as by preferred aroma, refresh, or relax. FUENTE FORTE Aroma Spa Drop, Refresh or Relax, Scalp and Body. FUENTE FORTE Aroma Spa Drop is a multi-use oil which can be used on the scalp and body. You can select between 2 scents, Refresh or Relax, based on your mood. The scent Refresh features rosemary, while the scent Relax features lavender. Aroma Spa Drop satisfies the scalp and body with its deep hydration and aroma made from a rich blend of naturally derived fragrances. It prevents skin roughness due to dryness. Tips on how to use the product. Aroma Spa Drop can be used on the scalp and body in damp condition as well as in dry condition. After shampooing, towel dry well before using the product. Apply an appropriate amount to the areas of the scalp and body where you have concerns of dryness, and massage. FUENTE FORTE Scrub Cleanser, all scalp types. The salt scrub lifts and thoroughly removes the excess sebum and impurities which have accumulated on the scalp and in the pores. It maintains a healthy scalp, which is the foundation for nurturing beautiful hair. It comes with a refreshing scent. Tips on how to use the product. Scrub cleanser is recommended to be used once a week in place of shampoo. After rinsing the scalp and hair thoroughly, lightly remove excess water. Work the scrub evenly onto the scalp and massage to lift impurities. Then add small amounts of lukewarm water until a lather forms. Wash the entire hair and scalp and rinse well. Rinse out thoroughly. Do not use right before and after coloring your hair. Do not leave the product inside the bathroom when using the bathroom dryer. FUENTE FORTE Total Refining Cream, all scalp types. An all-in-one special care cream which massages the scalp and comfortably loosens its stiffness while completing the entire process from cleansing to hair treatment at once. It moisturizes the scalp, which is the foundation for nurturing beautiful hair, and prevents skin roughness. Comes with a relaxing scent. Tips on how to use the product. Total Refining Cream is recommended to be used once a week in place of shampoo and treatment. After rinsing the hair and scalp thoroughly, lightly remove excess water. Work the cream evenly onto the scalp, and then work it also into the hair. Massage as you remove impurities from the scalp and rinse thoroughly. This cream is also recommended to be used as your first wash at home after coloring or perming your hair. FUENTE FORTE Clear Shower, all scalp types. Works on factors which cause the scalp discomfort, such as stickiness and odor, and gives the scalp a light, smooth feeling. This product can also be used as dry shampoo. It comes with a refreshing scent. FUENTE FORTE Moist Shower, all scalp types. The scalp serum which works on factors which cause the scalp discomfort, such as dryness, and keeps the scalp hydrated with a light feel. It comes with a relaxing scent. Tips on how to use the product. These products can be used on the scalp anytime, anywhere, in dry condition as well as in damp condition. After shampooing, towel dry well before using the product. Hold the tip of the nozzle close to the scalp and spray 1 pump at a time on 15 locations as shown in the image as you work the product in with the pads of the fingers. Then lightly massage the entire scalp. 3. Sublimic Common Technology in FUENTE FORTE. 1. Hair Reforming Technology. We focused on the fact that hair with damage has dents or distortions in the strand's cross-sectional shape. Our proprietary hair-reforming technology corrects the distorted shape on each individual strand. This technology is used in all Sublimic treatments as well as all Sublimic masks other than Adenovital. 4. Scalp Double Enhancing System. FUENTE FORTE is a scalp care line which focuses on the scalp's own power to become beautiful and the external or psychological stressors which make the scalp unstable. With moisturizing care based on scalp concern and barrier care which addresses the effects of stress, the Scalp Double Enhancing System supports the growth of beautiful hair by creating a healthier scalp environment. Existing technology for full-fledged scalp care. Moisturizing care tones the scalp based on condition and concerns. Technology for occasional scalp disorders. Barrier care boosts the scalp's barrier function, which tends to become unstable due to internal or external stressors. Moisturizing care. Moisturizing care leverages technology that is best suited for that particular scalp concern. Shampoo for dry scalp uses the Gentle Cleansing System. It gently cleanses the scalp without stripping away the moisture. Shampoo for oily scalp is formulated with Sebum Sensing Cleanser. It washes away the stubborn sebum with its excellent sebum induction and foaming performance. Shampoo for dandruff scalp is formulated with potassium ascorbyl tocopherol phosphate K and salicylic acid. It controls dandruff and removes dead skin cells. Furthermore, it leverages moisture-creating technology and daily shielding technology, which are technologies common across all Sublimic lines. It keeps away pollen and PM2.5, which are floating in the air, while creating a scalp with great fundamental power to produce a high amount of NMF and constantly generate moisture on its own. Barrier care. Barrier care focuses on the internal and external stressors which affect the condition of the scalp. There are internal stressors such as psychological stress and lack of sleep, and external stressors such as change in temperature and color treatment. FUENTE FORTE's barrier care takes a multifaceted approach in addressing the weakening of the scalp's barrier function due to these stressors. From outside the scalp, the moisturizing and protecting ingredient glycolipid reinforces the barrier function. From inside the scalp, Calendula officinalis flower and Citrus uncio peel extracts, which keep skin healthy, and the protecting ingredient Tephrosia purpurea seed extract treat scalp disorders due to psychological stress, lack of sleep, change in temperature, such as high or low temperature, and effects from hair coloring. 5. Fragrance. Fragrance of moisturizing care. A green herbal fragrance of deep relaxation with a harmony of dewy florals that makes you imagine a sigh of a forest. Fragrance of barrier care. A rich blend of natural fragrances that sets your scalp and mind free. Aroma Spa Drop Refresh has a citrus herbal scent with a blend of rosemary, orange, eucalyptus, citronella, cedarwood, and peppermint. Clear Shower and Scrub Cleanser are also formulated with the same scent for a feeling that is clean and refreshing. Aroma Spa Drop Relax has a floral woody scent with a blend of essences such as lavender, geranium, ylang-ylang, patchouli, and cedarwood. The Moist Shower and Total Refining Cream are also formulated with the same scent for deep relaxation. Both Refresh and Relax are formulated with the essence of the aromatic yuzu flower grown in Kyoto. Summary. FUENTE FORTE is recommended for those who have scalp concerns or occasional scalp disorder. FUENTE FORTE's unique Scalp Double Enhancing System delivers moisturizing care tailored to scalp concerns, while also providing barrier protection against the effects of stress. This helps create a healthy scalp environment and supports the growth of beautiful hair.